Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A40 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application or settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of more than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll. Where we are in this application, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we tap on scroll. And now we can scroll and add more information to our screenshot and create it. When we have all we need, we can press done. You can also tap on auto scroll and tap when we want. After we press done, we have our long screenshot, which is saved in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.